Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to review a new product. So I'm very excited, like this is a very new thing and I got it very fast delivered. So the product I'm going to review is this one. This is the NYKAA SKINgenius Conceal and Correct palette. I have got in the shade medium 02. I think they have 4 shades, so as soon as it is available online I ordered it. I did not order so many products, I just ordered this palette, and also I got this one as free. This is the NYKAA latex free BlendMaster. This came free with this. So if you want to see the review of this product, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. Now first we are going to talk about the packaging of the product. This is how the packaging looks. This is a similar packaging I think NYKAA has for all its own NYKAA products. It has the same packaging. And here comes the palette. So this is the NYKAA SKINgenius Conceal and Correct palette in the shade medium 02. The net quantity of the product is 9 gram and it has 6 beautiful shades in it. These are basically cream product, so these are used to cream contour, like if you want to cover your dark circle or highlight, or in some areas foundation is not enough, you can use this kind of palette. Now the price of the product is 1200, and also I have ordered it the day that NYKAA has released it. So I got a beauty blender, the BlendMaster, NYKAA BlendMaster, free with this. So today's makeup I'm going to use this. So I already have this one in the purple shade and different shape, and I really like their makeup sponge, very affordable. Now this NYKAA SKINgenius Conceal and Correct palette comes in 4 shades. So one is light 01, then it comes in medium 02, which I am having, and also it comes in deep 03, which is little bit darker to my skin tone. Like people darker than my skin tone can use 03, deep 03, and also it has come in shade Correct and Contour, like it is going to have multiple colors. Now this kind of palettes are very good, they are very helpful to cover your dark spots. So this is not the first product I am using to conceal and correct my face. Earlier when I started with foundation, I used to see like my foundation becomes gray, like in certain areas it becomes gray. Then I observed and find like, okay, I need a color corrector and that is going to fix it. So I already have a color corrector from Freedom, and also I have a color corrector from Provoke. This is, I think these shades are similar to the one NYKAA has, like 4, like similar way they comes. You can see the packagings are similar. And also one more color corrector I have from Makeup Revolution. So this is like that. So initially when I was not sure which color is matching to my skin tone and all, which foundation to go for and which looks good on me, so I ordered this kind of things to see, like where you have so many colors and you can try which one is perfect for your skin tone. So yeah, I have so many palettes like this which does conceal and correct work, but for my skin tone I never have used this green shade, because green shade is for red color blemishes and I never have a red color blemish. Always it comes dark, but if you are very fair or something, if you have a very big blemish which is red color, definitely you can use this green color. Now whatever the reviews I'm going to tell you, these are not at all sponsored. I paid my own money to buy this palette, and also this is going to be my honest review. And it is not like that I like every product that NYKAA launches. NYKAA has their foundation which I don't like at all. It is not for me. So light coverage, I like very full coverage. But yeah, I definitely like to use this. And also few things from NYKAA I love, like the NYKAA Matte to Last liquid lipsticks. So let me tell you some story. Like I was filming one different video and I got a message like my order is going to be delivered. I thought, okay, yesterday I have ordered it, how come it can come today only? But suddenly I find, okay, it has reached. Then I thought, okay, I have to make the review of the product which is not available in the market, the conceal and corrector, and then I'm going to release that video. So yeah, this makeup you may find in tomorrow's video also. So here I am. So we are going to do today's video a little bit different. So this is the intro part I am having. So in my intro part my all makeup is already done. Now to test this product I'm going to remove my foundation and everything. So I'm going to prime and show you how it looks on my bare skin. Like I'm not going to remove the eye makeup and all. Next we are going to move on to the application of. So now as you can see I have removed my foundation. So now you can see the dark circles and I have a little bit of demarcation, or you can say pigmentation, near my mouth also. So whenever I apply some foundation on top of this black mark, it looks gray. So after cleaning my face, I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, because already I have used some foundation, and second layer of foundation I am using. So I need to make sure all the areas are moisturized nicely. So before applying this kind of product, either a concealer or a foundation, I like to use a primer. I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready primer. This is going to be a barrier between this concealer and my skin. So first I'm going to take this orange shade and apply it on all over my, like near my mouth, or near my mouth and near all the. So first I'm going to apply this orange shade near my mouth and near my nose. To apply this cream product you can use a flat brush like this. So if you don't have a flat brush you can use your fingers. So let me show you with my fingers. Also I have a little bit here near my nose. Also I have a dark spot here, and if you have a pimple mark you can cover these areas also, like here, and also I have a little bit here. So I can see it is quite pigmented. See, I am taking very little bit of the product and it is quite pigmented, and also it is very creamy. So now I'm going to take the makeup sponge. You can dab it with your finger also, but I do have the sponge, so I am going to use it, and very slightly you have to dab it, very light-handed. You have to make sure you don't pick up the product much. So yeah, this is how it looks. You can see all my black spots have been covered. Now I'm going to set it using a powder, because it is quite sticky. If I don't use a powder, then orange and the more like the concealer shade, whatever concealer shade I'm going to take, these are going to mix together and become orangey. So I have to set it. I'm going to use this NYKAA's compact powder in the shade Cosy Chestnut and apply it on all over the areas I have the orange color corrector, so that it does not mix with the other shade. Now this is a very good product, and also this powder is a little bit darker to my skin tone, so it is going to give a matte effect for all these areas. Now I am going to use the concealer on all over the areas I have used corrector. I am going to take this shade and see how it goes on my face. I think this is quite good for my skin tone, for under my eyes. and you can see now I am getting the true shade of the concealer. It is not looking so gray. So I don't think I need any foundation. Now you can see my face is not at all looking any orangey shade. Now I'm going to set the concealer using a loose powder. I'm going to use this Color Bar Flawless Airbrush Finish loose powder in the shade Rose Classic, and set my under eye. Basically I like to bake my under eyes. So this is the general step I like to do every time I use a concealer. So if you are fine using some compact powder, you can go for it, but I like to use a loose powder, but because it creases for me. Also notice it, these areas. So this is how my face looks with the orange color corrector and only the concealer. I have not used any kind of foundation. Next I am going to quickly bronze my face, little bit of highlighter, blush, and also apply some lipstick and get back to you. So during that time I'm not going to talk, but I'm going to show you the steps. So this is the finished look. So I have not used any kind of foundation. I have used this orange color corrector and this shade. This is also I could have used, but it is quite lighter. I can use it under my eyes. I don't feel like I'm not wearing foundation. It gave me nice coverage, but yeah, I find like the coverage is very good. So it is similar to the Freedom palette which I have. I think yeah, it has same coverage like this one, and also these are very creamy. If you have dry skin, you are going to love it. Because I have a little bit of oily skin, I need to set the creamy product with a powder, but if you have a dry skin, you are definitely going to love it. It blended very nicely and it is not at all patchy. It was smooth. The orange also. Now you can see I don't have any kind of gray area in my face. So I don't know if camera is picking up, but in person if you see me, you don't see any kind of dark spot or black mark in all over my face. Yeah, I have little bit of shadow here because I have I wanted the shadow here for contouring, and nose also I want little bit of shadow, but this area you can see it looks so flawless. But yeah, I can see some pores in my face. So this concealer is definitely not for all over your face. For your face you need a foundation, but you can work out with it. So yeah, these are all my thoughts. So I really like this NYKAA SKINgenius Conceal and Correct palette. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then,